Collision mitigation braking system provides advance warning where the risk of collision is imminent, through audio and visual alerts to the driver. It also applies brakes to slow down the speed of the car and avoids collision. The system monitors the roadway ahead when your vehicle speed is between 5 km per hour to 100 km per hour. CMBS can detect ongoing cars, pedestrians, and bicycles. It also works efficiently even during night drives. CMBS feature is always on whenever the car is started. User can manually activate or deactivate the feature using the switch near the driver's right knee.